the mountain.
We like trains.
And it's free.
Keep my eyes up on the page, but every move won't leave my mouth. Seems that I am at the age, what can I do in this old house? Keep me warm and keep me safe. Oh, I'm just torn up from the chains. All the kids can't understand.
Okay, so hi, Allie's vlog. At where are we? We're not even at Red Rock. We're in Calico Basin. We went the cheap route so we don't have to pay to get in. And then we're just gonna hop the mountains into the actual national forest.
Friends up on the screen, the numbers rising all the time. Don't you know this is the dream?
Katie, what have we done today?
So much.
Okay, the nicest lady. Story time. Story time. So the nicest lady, we went to Ross to buy certain Christmas gifts for people. And I needed this thing because my car doesn't have an aux, and so I need the like gas thing, the, what's it called?
The like plug-in thing for that plugs into the charger on your
car and like transmit to a different radio. And so it's like,
what the crap?
Yeah, and so
it's just a charger for your phone in the car, basically.
Yeah, and it was like originally $20, but then we couldn't find the price tag on it, and so we went up to her and we were like, how much do we have to, like, can we have a price check on this? She ended up giving it to us for $6, and she was like, let me help you out, honey, you need some Starbucks money.
But then we went and bought McFlurries
because we had more money. She was so nice, and she was like, I know how young girls are, you need new clothes. Yeah, as there's like a line of 20 people behind us.
Go be friends with her, because she's freaking awesome.
And where are we going now?
Alright, we are going, where are we going? Oh yeah, to deliver all of the Sprites to my neighbors.
There's a lot of people. How many Sprites do you have in this car?
Well, I already delivered a lot of them. There was originally 15, because we're only like 15 people. So if you didn't get one,
just know, you know what.
Mom, let's go hiking!
There was a time when my world was filled with darkness, darkness, darkness. Then I stopped dreaming, now I'm supposed to fill it up with something, something, something. In your eyes I see the eyes of somebody I knew before, long, long, long ago. But I'm still trying to make my mind up. I change shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still.
This is called First Creek, and there's a waterfall in the middle of the desert, which is really surprising because you know we're in the desert, as you can see. But you go down a bit, see some water. Don't drink the water because you'll get AIDS. That's not good. And it's cute.
But it gets bigger till your horse is always running, running, running. In your eyes I see the eyes of somebody who could be strong. Tell me if I'm wrong, wrong. And now I'm pulling your disguise off. Oh, you're tied up. I change shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still.
They're a little behind. They're back there. Good hike. Okay, let's go.
I'm still alive in my